I got the seat in the mail today, guys. Looks pretty good. I started making the lower bracket for it. It's just a little U bracket that goes down there, welds in between the frame. Figured out where I want it. Turns out 3.5 inches off the frame is perfect. So it's got a 4x4 in there, space in it. And on the back here, I have a little laser cut plate. It didn't quite fit. I had to pop a new hole through the seat, slightly higher, but no big deal. And now I'm just cutting a little piece of square tubing basically to go in between there and there, and then I'll be able to tack the seat in and see how it looks, and hopefully weld it solid. This seat is for left-hand turns only. It is a circuit seat, so I've got to cut down the headrest. I know it sounds like a very bad idea on a brand new spanking new seat. I did get a good deal on it, so not too concerned, but yeah, I will have to trim that back. It won't be too much work, really. Everything's the same bracketry on that side as it is on that side, as you can see. I just got to cut it back to there on that side. So the only tricky part might actually be cutting the foam clean. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm going to see if we can cut it on water jet, and that'll might cut it super clean. I can cut all the bevels into it too, which will make it look like it's factory, hopefully. So I'm going to finish mounting this up, show you what that looks like. I got, here's the covers for the seat. You'll get to see those put on too. And here's the master cylinders, Willwood master cylinders I ordered. They are massive, absolutely massive. But they were a lot cheaper than what I could have gotten from Australia, so I decided to get them in the States. But yeah, those go inside of there, mount away, and the push rods connect with clevises up to there. So we should have some brakes going here soon too. The back mount put on there, just tacked it for now because I'm not quite sure if the angle's going to be right. And the bottom one, like you seen. So now I'm going to rest it up in there and see if we're able to tack it right now, or if I have to adjust that at all. Let's see how this looks. Looking good. Yeah, for sure. Nice. Everything lines up actually really nice. Basically no real filling in there. Not too bad. That side's tight, but now I realize I can actually split the difference. Should be able to split the difference in that gap. Yeah, that's a lot better. And then the back one lines up actually real good too. Just fill it around there. And the seat is mounted. Just make sure they're sitting pretty parallel. I don't mind if it's cantered back a little bit, but it just can't be forward at all. But it's actually supposed to be level to the bottom of the frame. So yeah, it's looking pretty good there. Bracket fully welded all the way around. Seats put back in here. So now, just take my inks all there. Mark that so I know. Mark that. Those are just how I know where to grind and clean the metal right now. Just to make that easier. So now I'm gonna pop the seat back out of here, clean this all up, pop it back in here, and we'll weld away. guys. The seat's all welded in there. Now, someone in the comments needs to tell me where this gray pad is supposed to go. It's that gray foam pad. I just popped some holes so it sits flush in there. Seems like it's going to be for anti-vibration of some sort. I'm just not sure where it goes, so I got that put right there. I'm just going to pop the seat covers in, and we'll see how it looks with the covers put on. These covers are super nice. They just pop on with little buttons. Snap on the frame of the seat here. Super slick. I like this. Because now when I trailer the buggy, I can just pop the seat covers off and not worry about them getting all muddy and dirty and whatnot. And same goes for storing it outside or whatnot. You just pop the covers off, right? Here. I feel like they mucked up on this top button here. You can see it's got a little bit of a wrinkle in the seat here because the button's not quite in the right spot. But yeah, it's off by about a quarter of an inch there. But that's okay. Okay. And then there's shoulder pads too to go on there. If you're also wondering this seat looks super small, that's because it is. It's actually a 14-inch child seat. And that's just because I'm a really small guy, believe it or not, so that's how small of a seat I needed. Perfect. The other side. There we are. That's the seat all installed. Looks awesome. And it is solid. Definitely not going anywhere. Feel safe in that.